you see him anymore. Won't you please try to find out for sure?
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing my drugstore makeup look, and I've loved using this. It's drugstore and it looks cute, so it's win-win. Hope you guys try it out. So for foundation, I'm mixing my Revlon Color Stay and also my NYX liquid foundation. I'm just putting it onto a palette and blending it out and applying it using the tip of my brush. And then we're just going to take a damp beauty blender and blend all of that out. Now we're just going to move on to concealer, and today I'm using my Pro Conceal from LA Girl. It's the best concealer, I love it, it stays so well. I'm just applying it on the under eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and then around my nose and mouth, and then we're going to take that same beauty blender that we used before and blend all of that out. Alright, moving on to powder, we're just going to set everything, and I'm using my Bed 9 Neutral set. I'm actually applying it with still the same damp beauty blender, and I'm applying it onto my under eyes and then around my nose and on my mouth, just where I get a lot of creasing. That just helps set everything in. Now I'm going to move on to brows. I'm using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and as always I'm always starting from the end or the tip and then working my way forward. I like to apply darker colours at the very end, and then as I get closer to my nose I just apply a lighter colour. So this just comes with brow wax, so I actually get the tip of the brush and just rub that along the wax and then apply it onto my brows. Now moving on to contour, I'm actually using a stick foundation in just a darker shade, and I'm applying that under my cheekbones, on the sides of my nose, and then blending it out using a beauty blender. Once that's all blended out, we're just going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes, and here I'm just using an Essence primer. On top of that, I'm applying a base. So this one is a jumbo pencil from L'Oreal. It's a beautiful silvery taupe color, and I'm just applying that on all over my lids to create a sticky base for the shadows to cling to. I'm using this shadows palette from BYS. It's not the best quality, but I actually have found that it works really well. I applied a mid-tone brown just as a transition color, and I'm going to take a mid-tone grey and I'm applying that a bit more in the crease of my eyes. I'm going to take a darker purpley grey and I'm applying that on the outer corner of my crease, just in windshield wiping motions. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy blender brush and blend all of those colours out. Now I'm going to take a more champagne taupey colour and I'm applying that with a wet brush. I just use contact lens solution to wet my brush, and it just creates a more foiled, intense look. Also with a wet brush, I'm going to take an even lighter taupey champagne colour and I'm just applying that in the very middle to create a more three-dimensional shape. And now I'm going to take that same mid-tone colour and I'm applying it onto my lower lash line. This just creates a very hazy, smoky look. Now I'm applying my inner corner highlight using again a wet brush. Gonna curl my lashes and then apply a eyeliner. So this one's from Essence, really inexpensive and I highly recommend it. I'm just gonna apply my mascara, and of course would it even be a Hey June makeup look if I didn't apply a nude eyeshadow on my waterline. So I'm just taking my Milani eyeshadow pencil, and that is the whole eye look completed. So now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to apply this blush color. It's got a mix of bronzers and a blush, so I'm just using the blush portion to apply onto my cheekbones, and then I'm going to take the bronze portion now and I'm just applying that all over my face, but obviously you can use any blush bronzer duo that you have. Now I'm going to set my whole face using just a facial mist. Here I'm using the Avene facial mist, and while my face is damp, I'm just going to apply my highlight, and this just intensifies the application of the highlight. I'm using this one from Physicians Formula. So moving on to my lips, I'm using my NYX lip pencil in Nutmeg, a really nice brownie color, and then I'm going to apply my lip color, which is from BYS Cosmetics. I've got it in the color Teddy Bear, and it's a really nice neutral brown color, and I think it just complements the whole icy sort of cool tones of this look. Now I'm just going to set my face again just to make my skin look like skin, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender again just to powder everything down so it molds onto my skin really well, and that just creates a very nice dewy glow to the look as well. And so that is my overall look. I am actually going to add lashes on just to make it look a little bit prettier, and I'm just using the lashes from Cherry Lashes. I'll put the link in the info bar. And this is my completed look, you guys. It has a very chocolatey Hershey's Kisses vibe to this look, so I really like it. I think it just complements my skin tones really well. I hope you guys try it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you do try it out, make sure to tag me and let me know. I would love to see you guys recreate this look. And as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.